Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I want to wish you a happy Halloween and a Feliz Dia de los Muertos. Because it's also American Indigenous Heritage Month, I want to talk to you a little bit about the Cempasúchil flower and where it comes from. So we know we use these flowers during Day of the Dead. You see them all over this time of year at the supermarkets, and because of the Disney movie Coco, they've become very popular. But why do we use these marigolds? Where do they come from? And what is the name Cempasúchil? So the name Cempasúchil actually comes from the Aztec language meaning 20-petaled flower. And this is one of many examples of an indigenous culture or tradition that we've inherited and incorporated into our modern day practices. So when Spaniards first landed in the Americas, they encountered a lot of indigenous traditions and practices, and one of their techniques to help incorporate those practices into their own Catholic traditions, they would borrow some of these traditions and use them as a tool to help infiltrate their culture during colonization. So just like the Christians borrowed a lot of pagan traditions for Christmas and other westernized modern holidays, the Cempasúchil is an indigenous practice, an indigenous tradition that has been passed down for thousands of years and was native to the Americas long before Europeans ever came there. I hope this November you'll take some time to learn more about indigenous practices and traditions that we use every day in our day-to-day practices and appreciate this beautiful Cempasúchil marigold flower. Thanks so much and see you next time.